I mean, it just seems like it is the season of the turtle this year, guys.
MC Mikey. MC
Hey guys, what's going on? Chris Reacts here, the Hoosier Pond Guy in Warsaw, Indiana. And let me tell you what, just showed up here. We got the machine unloaded, still got a whole bunch of stuff to unload from the truck, but I am truly excited to be here. I mean, it just seems like it is the season of the turtle this year, guys, because we went down to South Arkansas. We did the turtle pond for Anthony Hobbs and the South Arkansas Turtle Farm. We did Rusty Reed, the Turtle Man, #1 with the pre-build for the CAC regional event. The actual event just got done with another turtle pond for an endangered species of eastern box turtles. Our client there, she didn't know at the time, but apparently they have made her pond that we just rebuilt yesterday a habitat for themselves. We found turtles, we found eggs. They're starting to lay eggs at this point. So that inherently became another turtle pond. And this one right here behind me, this is it. It's going right here where I'm standing. We got another turtle pond going in, guys. Yes, that is 3 turtle ponds, 4 turtle-centric excursions this year, 2023. But let me tell you what, turtles that are going in here are not alligator snappers. They're not gonna be eastern box turtles. This one is actually for red belly cooters. We're gonna get this thing dug out. Stay tuned. You guys are gonna see a guest appearance from Rusty Reed, the Turtle Man, with my client. He's either gonna be coming here telling us what we need to do to get the habitat correct and right for the red belly cooter, or we're gonna be taking another trip out to Churubusco, Indiana. We're gonna be taking a look at his setup, so that way we can make sure that we get this setup right for the right animals, because every different turtle's gotta have a different setup. So we need to know what we're getting into. I am not a turtle expert, but that man is, and we're gonna call upon his knowledge, and we're possibly gonna take our client out and have a nice little field trip with him because he's a huge turtle enthusiast, and Rusty Reed is just the guy to talk to and go visit. So I'm gonna get to digging. Check you guys out later. See ya. All right, here we go, guys. Get away from this excavator real quick so you guys can actually hear me. I know I'm really loud, but not next to that thing. So yesterday we had a little bit of problem. So obviously we're digging in a very specific area, as you guys can see behind me. But over here, right next to our skimmer box, we had, let's see if I can show you guys a little bit of it, or if we buried it. Here next to our skimmer box, we had actually found a drainage line and electrical lines that ran from all of his gutters. His gutters over here, his gutters over there. They all ran down into that little green pipe down there. They ran into a drainage pipe right here and ran all the way up that way. So yesterday what we had to do is we were digging, hit the drainage pipe. So what we've essentially had to do was cut here, cut back there, outside of where we're digging here, and basically we rerouted it over this way, going that way, and then it tied back in outside of the pond on a 90 and then went its original direction. So that right there pretty much costed us the entire day. Plus Damien Drager's here from 4D Exteriorscapes. Say hi, Damien. He was getting here yesterday, so he got in right around lunchtime. We had that issue happen, so pretty much the whole day was getting all of our equipment here, finding that, patching that, rerouting the drainage, you know, getting the electrical lines out of our way so that way the client can have an electrician come and reroute it. So today is what I'm gonna consider day number one. Getting our pond built. Everybody's working hard, doing stuff. Damien's in our machine, because you know, he's actually a college professor for doing all this type of stuff. Got him in the machine, getting our pond dug. We've got our skimmer box set. We got our biofalls set. We got our plumbing set, glued in, ready to go, following the Aquascape 20 steps ecosystem pond here. This was scheduled to be a 10 by 15, but we ended up with the area that we had and the shape that we had to make this in order for everything to fit. We had to do a little bit, you know, I think it ended up being more like a 12 by 13, you know, we gave a little bit here, give a little bit here, take a little bit there, but all in all, it's gonna be the same thing. Good thing is we got plenty of liner back in the shop, got plenty of different sizes. I was gonna use a 15 wide on this, but we ended up, because of the changes we had to make, we ended up going with a 20 wide, so that way we'll pretty much essentially have a 20 by 20 liner on this. Skimmer box is gonna be right into the pond, might be a little bit off. We might end up giving him a little bit of a stream, maybe a 2 foot, 3 foot stream off of that, but it looks like we're also gonna be able to get him a 12-inch drop off of it as well. So we are ready to go. We're gonna get back at it. See you guys.